In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Steam won't open on Mac. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, if your Steam application is stuck on an update, like I'm updating right now, or if it's just not opening at all, that can be really frustrating because sometimes even your games won't open if Steam isn't opening. So what you want to do is override Mac OS accessibility gatekeepers. On the top left, go ahead and click on your Apple icon. And then once that's gone ahead and done, all you want to go ahead and do is navigate to system settings. Now once you're in system settings, all you want to do is scroll down until you find privacy and security. And then within privacy and security, you're going to see a lot of different things. But scroll down until you find the accessibility area inside that privacy block. So just go ahead and find that, and accessibility is going to be right there. Now locate Steam in the application grid list, and even if the toggle is already turned on, flip it off and then toggle it back on. And if Steam isn't listed at all, what you're going to do is click the small plus icon on the window grid and then navigate to your applications folder. So we're going to go ahead and do that right now. Go to applications, and then all you're going to do is find Steam wherever you went ahead and downloaded it, or just go to applications and then click on Steam, then click on open, and then Steam is going to be right there. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through and you might find something that you didn't know about yet.